I'm glad you joined us. Well, pretty much this video is to let you know about the leaf springs. And pretty much I have a 2017 Dutchman Voltage, and I was just kind of doing my maintenance, and I noticed that the leaf spring had a funny arc to it. So what I did is I called this place called North County Springs, and they told me to bring them by and check it out and see what the deal is. To find out, my springs are a lot of springs that are on trailers. I was told that it's made out of springs from China, which the manufacturer makes more of a profit margin because the springs are a lot cheaper. And my springs were not close to failing, but I don't know how much further. But I went ahead and caught it now and save myself a whole lot of trouble later on. I'm gonna show you what my springs, and pretty much on the leaf spring support, there's different ways of methods of doing it, and this gentleman, Tony, is the owner, operating owner, told me pretty much the best way to do it, and I'm gonna show you guys so you guys know. And like I said, I was taking care of business, so I'll show you right now. Well, this is my original spring that actually came on my trailer, and he told me the manufacturer's name, but I forgot what he had told me. But he said these springs were made out of China, and right here you can kind of see where it was almost like a frown, and it's supposed to go straight across, but he was telling me that that is a failure point, and also right here is a failure point because all the stress is right here. And if this was further up, that would be a game changer, but it's not. So what I did is went ahead and took them out, brought it to him, and he showed me I had more springs made. These springs right here are 3,500 pound springs. I went to 4,000 pound springs. The manufacturers, you can only go up to, mine's a triple axle, so I went to 4,000 pounds on each springs. Let me show you what I have. So this is the new springs from Tony, and these are, it's a 7 leaf, what gives me more lift on my trailer and more support. And if you were to put these two together, as in pound for pound, you can kind of see, kind of line them up. That's somewhat lined up here, and you can see how much more of a spring I have. And like I said, these are just a whole lot beefier compared to what I had before. So I'll show you this way so you can see another view of it. So it has a lot more arc to it, a lot higher up, so it'll give me a lift on the trailer itself. I would like to see if I could an inch. It'd be nice, but I doubt it, but we'll see. But at least that I'm taking these other springs off. I'll keep them for backup just in case, but I don't want any kind of premature failure. And I'll show you what everybody's doing to the leaf spring supports. What they're doing is, I made these up, and with these leaf spring supports, what they do, they go in between and kind of support it, and it does work. But I'll show you the reason why. He said it's good, but it's not the best. Let me show you. Now here's your leaf spring support right here, and the thing about it is that it goes in from this side to this side, and it welds from the inside here to the frame, which is nice. The thing about it is that it is for doing giving you support, but it does kind of help you from side to side. What he told me the best way to do it is go from this leaf spring support to the other side, and that's where you're having a lot of it wants to turn, twist, and pull. And so by doing that, it's a lot stronger going from the inside of this tab, well, to this connection point to the other side, which makes it a lot stronger. Like I said, what it's doing is you're doing this versus you're not doing this. So I'm gonna show you right here. And he said to recommend to use 2x2 by 1/8 inch square tubing. So there's your 2x2 square tubing right here. And you wanna go ahead and you wanna clean it up, grind it and clean it up. And leave yourself enough room so you can still get that nut off right here. So you want to leave yourself enough room. But that will be a lot stronger having this go across from this side to this side. So when I get a little further done, I'm going to show you another video of that being done. And the leaf springs are on here right now, and I put Loctite. He recommended me the torque on these were 94 to 115. I put them at 110. And when I got done, I put Loctite on it. And the also too is that the U-bolts, he said they weren't even stamped, so you don't know what grade they were. And the ones that he gave me, that I bought from him, have that stamp on them. And I guess that's some kind of a grade stamp on them. Yeah, the other ones I have, they have nothing on them whatsoever. And I'll show you that in a minute. He said a lot of the trailers, people don't realize that you kind of got junk springs on there. They're good. And also too, when the trailer's sitting for long periods of time, it's nice to put it maybe on some type of jack stands to take the load, the pressure off the spring. You know, just sitting for quite a while, just it's a good rule of thumb to do that. But if you have hydraulics, you gotta be careful because the hydraulics will bleed. But you can find stands for the frame of the trailer, and whatever weight of your trailer you have, if it's like a, 15,000 pounds, then you want to kind of get some jacks that will equivalent out to like 15,000 pounds of capacity to hold it, to support it. So when I get done with this, I'll make a part 2 so you can kind of see. But like I said, your stress is coming this way and this way, really not this way. So it made sense to me. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, and let you guys check it out later. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and take care of this, and when I finish, I'll give you guys an update on a part 2. All right, you guys take care. Peace out.